Ndewo, aha m Ijoma. My name is Ijoma. Bring you Igbo lessons, okay? So that you can speak with your family and your friends. So, like I said, this week I'm asking questions, okay? Alright? And what I would like you to do is to listen to the Igbo version, try and work out what I'm asking, and then if you still haven't worked it out, or if you want to check your answer, then towards the end of the video I'll say it in English, okay? One, can you bido? Let's start. Can you bido? Ke otu ga-amasị gị ịmụ Igbo? Ke otu ga-amasị gị ịmụ Igbo? Ke otu ga-amasị gị ịmụ Igbo? Ọ ga-amasị m -- Ọ ga-amasị m. Then you tell me. So this is your part. Your turn to tell me what you want to tell me. Okay? So again, the question. Ke otu ga-amasị gị ịmụ Igbo? Ọ ga-amasị m. So when you're answering this question in the comment section, I want you to start with this sentence. Ọ ga-amasị m -- I'll tell you what it means in a little while, okay? Now we're going into the English translation. If you want to spend some more time on the Igbo section, spend some more time. But just to warn you, I'm about to translate. How would you like to learn Igbo? Ke otu ga-amasị gị ịmụ Igbo? Ke otu ga-amasị gị ịmụ Igbo? How would you like to learn Igbo? I would like... Okay, then you tell me what you would like. Okay, so this question basically is... So you've told me, if you watched the last video, you must have told me how you're learning it at the moment, what you're using to learn it, books or video or coach or person-to-person events. That's what you told me last time. But now I want you to tell me how you would like to learn it. So you can repeat the methods. If what you're using is working for you, feel free to write it again. Okay, I would like to learn Igbo using -- So that's Ọ ga-amasị m. Okay, so if the videos are working for you, I would like to learn Igbo using videos. I like to learn Igbo by attending courses, online events, or person-to-person events. Okay, or I would like to learn Igbo by learning it in the house, in my family, where I'm being taught. Okay, so how would you like to learn Igbo? I would like... So again, start the sentence this way. Ọ ga-amasị m. And then feel free to put in your answer in English or in Igbo if you're happy. If not, just put in English. So example would be Ọ ga-amasị m to use Igbo course. I don't understand what you mean. Ọ ga-amasị m to use books. I don't understand what you mean. Okay? Ọ ga-amasị m -- I would like... Okay? So that's what that means. I would like. Na-asụkwa Igbo.